what I'm going to show you here is how quick you can make profit using my method of trading. Mind you, I'm not saying a strategy, I'm saying the method of trading. So I'm going to demonstrate just how quick you can make profits and how you can take advantage of the fluctuation of price within the same hour of trading. So I'm going to take you through briefly the most important points as I'll be showing how the video unfolds. I think everybody is ready to see a magic now. I've just executed a couple of trades. Now you can see the trades. You can see the trades are already in profits. Amazing profits for every retail trader to take home on a daily basis. This is the magic that I want to teach to everybody on my side. Now I want you to see the entry time as well as the exit time, just for you to see how quick you can make profits using the Lerumo method of trading. Now I'm going to show you the amazing power of Lerumo as compared to the other methods of trading. First of all, this first trade is what the other guys are doing. I'm going to show you the entry time and the exit time so you can calculate how long it took for this trade to be in profit. So the entry time is 16:21:43 and the exit time is 17:30:28, which is almost more than 60 minutes. Now that's what the other guys are doing. What I've just done now, which is the magic power of Lerumo, is the entry point for these trades. It's almost the same because it's 17:30:02, 17:30:03, 17:30:05. Now let us go to the exit time so that you can make your own calculations. From 17:30:02, 03, 05, look how quick the trades came into profit. It's 17:30:29. You can calculate the difference between 17:30:03 and 17:30:29, and also 17:30:05 and 17:30:31. You can calculate for yourself just how quick these profits have been made. Now look at the profits. As you have noticed in the video as I was playing it during recording or after recording, these profits were fluctuating to around 30, 28, 35. I could have closed at 35, at 28, but it doesn't matter. Whatever or wherever I choose to close, these trades are in profits within a minute and within seconds. So that is the power of Lerumo, which I'll be explaining on my site, and the link will be displayed for you to be able to access the site where I'm explaining in greater detail exactly what is the background behind this method of trading. I'm saying method, by the way. This is not a strategy, because a strategy is simply a way of doing something. Now I am giving the basics of doing something. So when you have the basics of doing something, then you can develop your own strategy. You know, just like when you learn how to drive, you cannot learn a strategy, you learn how to drive, the basics of driving. Then you can see, you will develop your own strategy of doing it. So it always pains me a lot when I hear many people saying, what is the best strategy? There is no strategy that can replace the basics of trading. So what I'm doing here, I'm doing it is part of my research that I'm doing this. So it is a factual work which I can teach to everybody, and everybody they can start to make profits within their first month of trading. And I will demonstrate that, because I'm going to invite a couple of people, maybe about 100 people, who will be doing, who will be attending my lessons, and they will be posting their results to show that this method is not a myth. This method is not a strategy. It is the basics of retail online currency trading. And that is the power of Lerumo. Watch the space, there's more to come. Now, I want to show you the magic power of the concept of price fluctuation trading. When I talk about price fluctuation trading, I talk about something that is different from trend trading. When you trade the trends, you wait for hours, days and months. Some wait maybe even for years. But let me just show you the power of price fluctuation trading, because there's always fluctuation in the forex market. Because price fluctuation, I actually call it the pulse of the market. There cannot be a forex market without price fluctuation. Now let me show you the power of trading that fluctuation of, or the advantage of taking trades on the basis of the fluctuation of price. Now look at this first trade. At about 16:43.17, I placed a buy at 20 lot size. Don't worry about the lot sizes. I placed the trade of a buy at 20 lot size, and that trade was in profit very quickly, a profit of about 280. You know, if you can look at the time once more, you will notice that 16:43.17 up to 16:46.07, it's almost 3 minutes. Don't worry about the lot size, but you are still going to make your profits. Now I'll come to the topic of lot sizes later. Now the most important thing that I want everybody to see and to understand is that at 16:43.17, I placed a buy, and the trade went into profit within 3 minutes. In the same minute, I took a different trade, a sell this time around, and look at the magic of it. The profit is 420 that I made taking a different trade. A buy in the same minute, in a difference of about 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, in a difference of about 4 seconds, I took a different trade, because that's what the market is doing. I took a different trade of a sell this time around, and both trades are in a nice profit, all of them. So I just want to send a message to those who are trading trends, to those who are doing institutional traders when they are retail traders. I want to send a message that forex trading is not religion. Don't believe in things without finding out what is the reason and the logic behind what you are doing. The simple logic behind what I'm doing here is that I'm taking advantage of the fluctuation of price. If I can show you what the levels of price when I bought and the levels of price when I sold, you will see that this is price fluctuation trading at its best. So watch the space, there's more to come. This is just the beginning. Thank you very much. This is Rami Rafi, popularly known as the Grandmaster of Forex Trading and the founder of Lerumo Strategy and Philosophy. Thank you. Now, one thing that I would like to emphasize is that I am not going to do what other people have been doing, repeating the same thing over and over and over and over again, where they depend on strategies, and I can bet you I've not met a single retail trader who is actually consistently profitable in their trading, depending on when they use their strategies. Now, I want to emphasize the fact that this is not about a strategy, it is about the basic method of how you can learn to trade and make profits. Now, I am different from everybody else because I know that I'm the first person to start by demonstrating what I think I can teach to other people. I don't talk about a long story where I'm telling you why you are not making profits and this and that. I am demonstrating to you that my way of trading is working, and I begin with the demonstrations that I'm consistently going to do every time, throughout and throughout. I think the most powerful thing in the teaching of Forex, particularly retail Forex trading, is to demonstrate, to show your students or your learners how you execute trades. Don't explain things to them. You only have to show them how they can execute trades so that they can be profitable. Apart from that, I see Forex trading as one of the most sophisticated types of gambling. You know, it's a pure gamble if you don't know the basics. So everybody, I want to thank those who have encouraged me to do this video. My friends all over the continent and abroad, I want to thank you very much for encouraging me to do this thing. I am doing it for you because I want to see Lerumo as the pioneering power that marks the dawn of the new era of Forex trading, particularly for retail traders. By the way, I have many important points to teach you when it comes to the difference between institutional trading and retail trading. So I'm going to teach you more about retail trading more than institutional trading, and I'm going to demonstrate how futile it is for a retail trader to do institutional trading. So watch the space, there's more to come.